Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix escape game critical low memory error. Fail to allocate memory. Your PC might be in a low memory situation. Please restart your PC and try again. So if you are getting this error while playing the escape game on PC, then here follow the fixes. The first fix is to verify the game file. So if you have the game on EA app, then open the EA app. Click on escape game, then click on manage and then click on repair option. And after the repair has been done, then you can launch the game and check if the error is fixed or not. If you have the game on Steam, then open Steam, go to library, right click on escape game, then select properties, go to install files tab, then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, and then you can launch the game and check if the error is fixed or not. Fix 2 is to launch the game and allow the game to load in the background. So launch the game, click on play button and go to web browser and wait for it and allow the game to load in the background. And once the game successfully load, then you can press Alt plus tab and then go to the game and then check if the error is fixed or not. Now fix 3 is to uninstall and reinstall the game on another SSD drive or external SSD drive. So open EA app, click on manage and then click on uninstall option and then click on yes to uninstall it. Then restart your PC once and then reinstall the game, and while installing the game you can select another SSD drive or any other external SSD drive and install the game, and then you can launch the game and check if the error is fixed or not. If still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to switch launcher. If you have game on Steam, then switch to EA app, and if you have the game on EA app, then switch to Steam and then you can launch the game and check if the error is fixed or not. So I hope by following these fixes you were able to easily fix escape game critical low memory error. Fail to allocate memory. Your PC might be in a low memory situation. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.